Over the years, I've made a lot of Halloween craft and quilting projects, and since it's that season, I don't want you to miss out on any of these creative ventures during this super satisfying spooky season. First up is my frame skull flowers art tutorial, which I made with my silhouette machine. If you're after some glamorous holiday art, your die cutting machine's got you covered. This skull features a mix of vinyl and paper flowers for a cool 3D vibe. I went with black paper for the background and a black frame to keep it classy, making sure the flowers and the skull really pop. You can snag this beauty in my silhouette shop or on Etsy. Next up is the very first village I ever created, my Halloween haunted village. Every piece was designed to fit together, from the pumpkin haunted house to the cemetery. This village actually inspired me to make many more paper villages. One of the best features is the tea light holes at the bottom of each piece so they can light up at night. The construction is pretty simple, and cutting them out on my die cutting machine was quick since I stuck to a tight color palette, making sure all the houses look great together. The base holding all the houses is made of black foam core, which I cut by hand. Each file is available separately in my Silhouette shop and Etsy shop. If you love building houses, you'll enjoy this high-pitched haunted house tutorial I created using both the Silhouette Cameo and the Silhouette Pro machines. It all comes together with hot glue, and the tabs make it super easy to put together. This piece is perfect for a tablescape or fireplace mantle if you're looking for something stunning. You can grab it in my Silhouette shop or on Etsy. If buildings aren't quite your style, no worries. You can still bring some festive flair to your home with two different banners from my shop. The first is the black and white Fringe pumpkin banner. This design includes a simple flag with a pumpkin and a fringe detail, giving it a chic, modern touch. The cream and black color scheme keeps it elegant, but if you want to mix it up, the fringe can be customized in different colors to create a full fringe banner. It's an easy project, perfect for sprucing up a fireplace mantle or hanging across a doorway. For a more playful and colorful option, check out my Halloween layered banner. This banner is for those who love the classic bold look of Halloween decor. It comes with bright, fun colors and an accordion style fold that gives it an extra layer of charm. You can add letters to spell out Happy Halloween and accessorize with spooky icons like bats or ghosts, making it a hit with your family and guests alike. Both of these banners are available in my Silhouette shop and Etsy shop, so you can easily grab whichever suits your style best. Of course, it's not just paper crafting that deserves the spotlight. I've also got some fun Halloween quilting projects to share. While my Halloween collection for Riley Blake, Eekaboo Shriek, is no longer available, don't worry. I still have an ebook packed with fabulous projects, and you can always use any current fabric line for these patterns. The ebook is available on my site at karinagardner.com if you're looking for that. Let me highlight two must-see projects. First up is the October Woven Quilt Block and Quilt. These are actually two separate videos. One shows you how to create the quilt block, and the other walks you through assembling the full quilt. If you're wondering how to get your hands on the pattern, here's the scoop. I give away a random assortment of die cut files, design tutorials, and sewing patterns every week in my CG VIP newsletter for free. This quilt pattern is often included in the fall, but it's only available to those on my newsletter. You can join for free at www.designsuitecourses.com/free to get access. If you just want to follow along with the videos, that's no problem either. I provide all the dimensions you need directly in the tutorials. The next quilting project features 3 different pumpkin blocks that I combined to create the Great Pumpkin Table Runner. The blocks include a striped pumpkin, a patchwork pumpkin, and a mini block pumpkin. Each one has its own unique style, but they all work together beautifully, allowing you to create either a table runner or even a full quilt if you prefer. The flexibility of this project means you can customize it to suit your needs. These pumpkin blocks are not only fun and easy to put together, but they also work perfectly for both Halloween and Thanksgiving, making them a versatile option for your seasonal decor. Whether you're crafting for a spooky vibe or setting up for a cozy fall gathering, this project fits right in. And if you're looking for a quick and satisfying project, you'll love working on these blocks. And the best part, I offer this pattern also as a freebie on my CG VIP newsletter along with other patterns, die cut files, and design tutorials. Sign up at designsweetcourses.com/free to get access and start creating. And that's a few of the fabulous projects you might want to check out during this very crafty time of year. Hope you're having a fabulous Halloween. Subscribe to the channel for more crafty and quilty fun. Hope to see you soon.